Behold, Duality, a 3D printable, fully modular LED track system, consisting of an assortment of track components and skins that are interchangeable and snap into place. Together, the track and skin transform an ordinary LED strip into a beautiful pattern of diffuse light traveling whatever path you choose. I created this track system for my viewers. I noticed that there was a high demand for my 3D printable projects. What sets this apart from my other projects is that this project will utilize your creativity rather than mine. You have creative license to use this track in whatever way inspires you. Your pattern, your color, your path. I've even made the blank skins Creative Commons so that you can customize your own pattern without limitation, and I urge everyone to do so. Think about the skins as static shadow figures. They are, in my opinion, what brings this track to life.
Track. All right, let's go.
I recommend a textured sheet for these skins. The texture adds a nice touch to it. You basically just print the first 0.3 millimeters of each skin with white filament and all other layers whatever color you want. The Core 1, pumping out all these pieces so rapidly, made it the most valuable tool in the shop. You don't need to build this base if you're running your strip with an external controller. You would build this base if you wanted your controller integrated into the track, so that all you need to run to the track is 12 volts. It also provides infrastructure for any onboard sensors that you may want, such as a microphone. The splice block is key to the track section for alignment. I'm using foam wall tape to mount my track sections, but there are screw holes if you want to go that route. Well, that about covers it. You can find all the downloads on my printables page, link in description. I've also provided links for all purchase components. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.